Okay guys, so we've gone over several minerals now that are non-metallic ore minerals. Now we're going to talk about a couple that are metallic ore minerals. And from the lab you guys did in the first, or actually the 0 module, you should be a little familiar with what minerals hold what ores. For example, we remember that hematite and magnetite hold iron ore. Well, let's take a look at those specific minerals and try and decide what their smoking gun characteristics are. So if we move the camera up close, we'll see that we have several minerals that are laid out in front of us. We have kind of a dark one, we have kind of a reddish one, and then we have one that is kind of a multicolored one. These have very distinguishable smoking gun characteristics. One of these minerals is magnetite. Just by its name, Kristen, what do you think the smoking gun characteristic for magnetite would be?
That it is magnetic.
That it is a magnetic, exactly. Ding, 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 ding. Fantastic. So included in your lab kit is a magnet. So I would like for everybody at home to follow along, please. Get out these minerals and use your magnet then to identify which one of these minerals is magnetite. Kristen, could you go ahead and check yourself? There you go, beautiful. So we have this very dark colored mineral, reacts to a magnet, is magnetic, and is therefore magnetite. Additionally though, if you guys look in your kit, you'll see we have a mineral that is also dark in color. It has a much lower hardness, but also, of course, does not react to magnets. So, again, physical characteristics need to be used to check the mineral identities, not just the colors. All right, so if we know that that is magnetite, let's then look at what hematite is. Hematite is an interesting mineral because the name of it, hematite, comes from the same root that hemoglobin comes from. Hemoglobin, of course, is your red blood cells. Hematite then is going to be the red mineral. So in this particular example, we have a mineral that is red in color. Just because it's red in color does not necessarily mean that it is hematite. But a much more telling characteristic is its physical streak. So if we take our streak plate, we take our red color and streak it, you will see that the streak, the powdered form of the mineral color, is very red. The reason this is red is because iron has been oxidized in it. You should be able to know that the red color is from a rusting iron, just as your grandfather's tractor that's been sitting out in the front yard for 25 years is about this same color from rusting away over time. Finally, I'd like for you guys to take a look at bauxite. Bauxite is this particular mineral, and the best way to take a look at it is to use the magnifying glass like we have Lucy doing. The physical characteristic of bauxite that is most important are the spheres that you can see on the surface of the mineral. These spheres are full of aluminum oxides. These aluminum oxides are then mined and the aluminum is removed from it. Aluminum, of course, is used to make lots of things, from the tray of this chalkboard to this soda can, to airplane fuselages, to anything else that needs a strong, light material. Aluminum is a fantastic material for recycling because it's cheaper, actually, to recycle it than it is to mine it from the earth and build it anew. So those are some other physical characteristics of some metallic minerals, excuse me. And we're going to move on with some more examples in the next video.